Yes guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to the van. I am now back from my trip in the New Forest after seeing some friends, and as I keep mentioning, every little trip that I do is kind of a way for me to improve on things and make small adjustments to the car, to the van, so that it's a bit more comfortable. So that's exactly how we're going to start today's video. I am back down just outside of London, and I basically want to try and build a platform so I can cook inside the car. Yes, it fits. Whoop, whoop. Perfect. I think I've done it, guys. I've completed it. Hood back on because it's just started to rain, and this is exactly why I've built what I've built today, because now I can use my boot for protection and not get wet and actually cook inside. So I'll show you now what I've done. Taking me a couple of hours, very simple, but it works. That slides in there. What I will do, I think, is put some hooks underneath here so that I can, I don't know, hang a spoon or, you know, hang some utensils. So I'll do that when I can get hold of some hooks, because I think that could be quite cool. But very happy with that. Very simple. It does the trick. The sun is out. I cannot believe it. The weather forecast could not have been any more wrong. Blue skies, a few clouds in the sky. Perfect. I'm off on another road trip for about 2 days with a friend of mine to the Cotswolds. So I'll take you on another mini adventure in the van. This weather is absolutely disgusting. Oh. This is home for the night. In the Cotswolds. Woof! Bit windy. You've got an entire view of the countryside and Bristol apparently, and the sun is just glaring through the clouds at the minute. The sun is setting. It's about, don't know what the time is, 6:30 I think. What a view. Where's my keys? I think we're going to move though behind that bush. Just so we're a bit more protected. But we can still walk out here in the morning for the sunrise. Time to get some hot chocolate on the go, I reckon. Don't have a kettle or anything, so bought this frying pan earlier from Sainsbury's, about £8 or Asda. Get some hot chocolate, have a donut, chill out for a half an hour, and then probably get on and cook some dinner.
Please don't check the gas.
Hopefully. We got enough.
You've actually got melted it, have you?
Nah. Way fire, baby. This is why I built this. We can cook inside. Look at that. Oh, this is unreal. We want to try and keep some for the morning, so just a glass of hot chocolate now. Wait for that to boil. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. Who says this life can't be hygienic? Still got soap because my hands feel very dirty. This must be done, surely.
Yeah, it probably is. That's what I'm thinking.
Put the rest in the other one. Cheers, biggies!
What? That's
Oh, sorry, mate. We should cheers, shouldn't we? Yeah. There you go. I'll pour some out.
Look.
I'll pour some in yours.
You see, it's like burnt on the.
Oh,
well, it's
yeah.
not burnt, but.
That's hot. Cheers, mate.
Wait, what about a donut?
Got to have a donut as well, haven't we? Really.
Good donut.
Are you living the best life, Stephen?
Mate, it's awesome.
Oh God, that is absolutely brilliant.
What's it look like?
Either a penis or a dog poo.
No, is it cooked?
Oh, is it cooked? Well, here's tonight's dinner. A lovely schnitzel of dog poo.
It's not the most ergonomic.
I think from now on I'm just going to buy meal deals every time and just eat them.
Can you take that one off at the moment?
Oh dear God.
Oh, shut up.
A home cooked red onion, dog poo and feet cheese.
It's not even home cooked, it's car cooked.
Car cooked even, yeah. Let's see how this tastes.
Out of 10?
A 5. With enough oh my God. With enough ketchup, it covers up all the other flavours. This is van life in England in winter. Well, even though this is kind of a car just with a bed in it. Not very luxurious. This is the setup for tonight. 2 sleeping bags. We've had dinner, we've tidied up. Probably watch something on my laptop if I can stream something off 4G. We'll see how good the connection is. Well, this is what we got going on. It's only about 8:30, I think. But that's us all sorted for the night. Good night.
Don't eat it. No.
And then we're going to rise above this.
Little bit windy around these parts. Whoa. Thankfully no rain in the middle of the night. That was the first night where I've slept kind of good in the van. Not great, not perfect, but that will do.
And keep on wishing.
Hygiene is still a priority.
He can probably smell it.
No, come on.
All the dogs are here. All the dogs are here.
We got no food for you, buddy. Sorry. Food's gone.
Oh, is it not? Is it not? Yo, I fucking got to call the air out. Is it not moving?
Have you drained the battery?
Mate, I haven't touched anything. I used my battery pack.
Why is it not starting then?
Yeah, because, oh, fuck's sake, man. All the stuff we had planned to do today is just gone out. Ask her for a jump. Oh. Gherkins, mate.
We're on. Power.
So,
See ya. We just met a lovely Jehovah's Witness. But what a lady she was. She was talking to us for about, how long? Half an hour, 45 minutes probably.
she kept going back, didn't she?
She liked the van a lot.
She kept coming back for more.
I'm so surprised at how much people actually like this. Which way was it? Left, wasn't it?
Left, yeah, it's literally at the end of this road. Do you want to go to B&Q or save you first?